Hey everybody, how's it going today? Scott Hilsey here with you today, bringing you a review on what could be the Shopify replacement, at least for dropshippers. As I'm sure most of you have heard of this software called CommerceHQ. The really powerful thing about this is, first of all, it's simple, and you guys know how much I like to simplify things. But second of all, it's built by dropshippers for dropshippers. As how Shopify was built more for just the all-encompassing like e-commerce person, or what they've been really focusing on lately is like brick and mortar stores listing their inventory online. That's why when you sign up to build a dropshipping store, you're kind of left at your own devices. There's no direction. It doesn't really tell you how to set up everything. CommerceHQ is a little different, and that's why I've been fiddling around with it a bit, but this is going to be basically my first impressions review of it. I've heard a lot of good things about this, specifically a lot of good things for dropshippers who do single product stores. Voila. So let's just hop right into it. Before I hop into it though, if you guys could do me a great, huge favor, hit that like button right now. Just one little click, I'd really appreciate it. And then as you see below, I answer any and all questions in the comments, or at least as many as I possibly can. But nonetheless, let's hop right into it. So this is the dashboard right here, and it's essentially everything you would expect from a dashboard. Your conversion rate, trends, your revenue, all that, the latest orders, the top products, and top refers. Okay, so nothing too special about there. This is when I noticed it got pretty special. So say you just signed up for CommerceHQ, and whether you're an expert or a newbie, this is just incredible that they have this, because my number one least favorite thing about dropshipping stores is building the dropshipping stores, doing the same thing over and over and over again. In CommerceHQ, you go to their app store, which again, their app store is amazing too, because all those apps that you're paying for, like $10 a month, $20 a month, sometimes hundreds a month, it's all built in right here. So I'm not gonna go through each one, but as you can see on the screen, it's basically every app that every dropshipper puts on their store, but from reviews to currency converters to email marketing, it's all right here, and it's all free. If you still have an app that you want to use, you can integrate it by clicking this add a private app tab up here. But this is beautiful because you don't have to worry about what apps you need to download, nor do you have to worry about how much those apps are going to cost. You're not gonna have to worry about when is my free trial over. No, okay, you don't have to worry about any of that. So you're gonna come here, you're gonna get this Accelerator app and click configure. And then right here, it takes you step by step in a process. Like, it's not even just step by step, it's step. Here's the stone step, here's a stone, here's a stone, and it breeds stepping stones. I just made that up. So you go here and you click register domain. You can buy a domain right now, continue. I recommend going through Google domains personally. That's all, they've always been great for me. But I'm gonna skip that for now. You can see next you're gonna select a theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip that too, because you guys got to see the visual builder. It really takes Shopify and ClickFunnels, takes the best of both worlds and combines them. It's great. So here are the done for you pages. Here are the FAQ, the returns, the shipping pages. You don't even need to copy and paste this. This is already pasted. All you need to do is just put in your name and everything right here and adjust accordingly to what needs to be adjusted for. Again, I'm just gonna keep skipping this because this is not gonna be, let me build a store with CommerceHQ video. Absolutely not. This is just my first impression, because to be honest, I've never even gone through this yet, actually. So I'm seeing this all the first time. Set your payment processor. So yeah, you can set it as USD, and then you set up Stripe, PayPal, and you actually set up a different payment processor if need be. It's that simple. Shipping rates is very simple. It's not like, actually, I think I just kept that one simple. It said keep it simple, and it said something. So the shipping rates on here, I love the shipping rates platform. So it seemed like that autofill, but you can actually go in and very easily adjust your shipping. Shopify's shipping stuff is very confusing. I've never liked their Shopify thing. And then set up the Facebook pixel. Next, you're gonna set up your email address for support here. And it apparently has this video taking you through that guide as well. And then there you go, guys. It's like if you actually did that, unlike me, if you actually did that, you just built a store like that. Look how cool that is. And that's essential for when you keep building these stores over and over again. And especially if you're testing like several one product stores, like that's gonna be killer, because instead of spending, an hour, 2 hours setting up the inner workings of the store that we just built right here, you're spending literally a couple minutes. Like, that is awesome. And then before I proceed any further, I just want to mention one thing. If you guys do want to try out the software, it's completely free for 2 weeks. using my referral link in the pinned comment and description below. That is a VIP referral link. You get the 2 weeks for free, but with that referral link, you get $99 a month still, but you get 3 stores under that plan instead of just 1. So that alone right there is really, really powerful, especially if you're gonna be testing multiple single product stores at once, which I recommend you doing. You're gonna have 3 stores for the price of 1 right off the bat, included with all the apps you'll need. Remember, that's including all apps, so you're not paying for the same app on 4 different stores that you own. It's all encompassing right here. We may have found the all-encompassing software for dropshipping. I'm not calling it yet because I'm gonna need to really dive deep. I'm gonna need to start launching stores with CommerceHQ, put it through the ringer before I can really make that claim. But I'm really liking this software. So next, when you build a store, you need to find your product next. And this is really cool, guys, because as if you didn't think they could pack anything more into here, they literally packed product research. You're gonna come up here, click add product. To access the product library, you need to buy and connect a domain first. We are looking for action takers. Okay, well, that was really nice actually. So to connect the domain, all I need to do is type in the domain and it's connected apparently. I don't know. But that's really cool. There's another feature. There's another feature. Shopify makes you go through all those things, loops you there, loops you there, loops you there. That was way simpler than I thought it would be. So yeah, apparently now we can go ahead and check out this product list and look at the ads. So up here we can search by niches. You got cars, fashion, gadgets, toys, crochet, cooking, all that. Let's just go with cooking. And you can see what's selling. I think when you click on it, it'll actually give you the AliExpress link. Apparently this aluminum coffee pot costs nothing. So the profits on this one are limitedly endless. Okay, so it's really $7 to $17. 1,000 pieces available, 839 orders. So yeah, it shows you decent analytics. It gives you a little description on the bottom too. That's cool. Gives you the reviews, pulled all from AliExpress. Okay guys, so I actually forgot to mention this when I was going through this Accelerator product finder. They actually have it so you can click on these products. It'll give you the AliExpress link, but what I forgot to mention is that these are custom descriptions right here, and also custom ad copies that you can use on all your ads. And not only that, it tells you exactly the targeting for each one, all the ones to test, all the ones that have worked. And then right here, you put in a price and then you just add product now, and it's that simple. You just added a product directly from AliExpress with all of your targeting, with all the descriptions already in there, and it is perfectly clean. So next, let's go check out the themes, because this is what I was talking about, and this is why I was confused when we're going through the Accelerator. We're gonna check out theme store, and this is what I was talking about. So Twig themes, it seems that these are the ones you can really customize. If you got coding skills, like you can really go straight up Squarespace on this, I think is what uses the code, right? But I'm not a coder. I don't even want to deal with coding, so I like the builder themes, and there's way more builder themes, way more visually appealing builder themes in my opinion too. So you go here and you click any one you want, and when you do that, it takes you into the builder. Adds to your theme library, and then you got to go to your theme library, and then it'll take you into the builder. So we're gonna go ahead and edit this, and as you can see right here, it's basically ClickFunnels with a hint of Shopify. It's actually basically ClickFunnels and a little bit of Squarespace too. So it completely, just utterly unlocks the creativeness that you can apply to your dropshipping store now. And that's another thing I did not like about Shopify. It's like I felt so limited, very, very limited, and it's like they're like Nazis with how they control this and control how their themes are manipulated and all this. CommerceHQ, they don't care. They want you to have the creative ability to do what you think would be best for your website. So you can see right here, if I wanted to add a video, all I do is drag and drop that video. If I wanted to add a heading, all I gotta do is drag and drop that heading, and there's so many things that you can add, as you can see right here on the left. And then I just clicked on this side, pre-built. So it looks like they even have certain sections that are pre-built that you can add. So if I want to add what the features were, I could just, I guess I just drag that maybe. Let's see, I just drag that right there, and then boom. So you can add the features literally just like that. That's very simple. Reviews have been something I lacked on. Like I never really had good displaying reviews really, but here, I got no excuse anymore. I literally just drag this right below the product that I like, because you come up here to the top left, you can go to the product page, and then on the product page, you can come right here to static reviews, and you can just drag that right. Okay, well, the product page already had the reviews, but you get the point. That's sick. Again, I've not this is specific why I haven't diving deep into this software, because I want to give you my real reaction to this. This is really sick, guys. This is really good. Because with like Shopify, you'd have to like download the review app, and then you have to do all this stuff to get it integrated and all this. Not anymore. Damn, I'm just hitting the tip of the iceberg, so to speak, right here. I'm really, really excited for the rest of this. This is cool. But yeah, that's how you build your store right there. We built the inner workings of the store very simply, and now you can just go and have full, complete creative control of your store while staying simple. So I really like that. I really like that a lot. So another crazy thing about CommerceHQ, I actually wrote this down so I could remember, because this is a big one, especially when you get into that large volume. They have no processing fees on third-party processors, which is huge, because Shopify on their starter plan, if you use a third-party processor, that starts at 2%. And if you use Stripe, I believe it's 1% for their starter and then 0.5% for their expert, or whatever they call their plans. Guys, 2% can add up quick. If you're doing $100,000 a month at 2%, that's $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year. I mean, just think about that. Like, processing fees are very underestimated with how impactful they can be for your business. It's just straight to the point. I like how simple it is. I like how it gets rid of all that clutter and puts you in an actual direction, rather than just like throwing you in a square and just hoping for the best. The apps are insanely powerful. I was just going through a bunch of them right here. Insanely powerful and all for free. No worrying about the monthly costs. So other things to mention about this software is you do get unlimited employee accounts. That's really sick, actually, because I think that's a little like funneling tactic Shopify did. Oh, you got 3 people on your team. You gotta level up that plan, buddy. You gotta level up that plan. So they don't do that. They give you unlimited access. It looks like they got very deep reporting and analytics on your store. And it even seems right here you can look at an overview of all your stores. So that's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So if you have like those 3 stores, for example, if you sign up for that link below, you get this software for the first 2 weeks for free. And if you do choose to sign up, you get 3 stores for $100 a month, opposed to 1 store for $100 a month. And that includes all the apps and everything. But when you do have those 3 websites, you can just come here and at a glance, you see your 3 websites. And then other than that, guys, it's pretty much straightforward. This is a groundbreaking software. I believe they've been around for like 3 or 4 years, but they've been on their game extremely lately from the looks of it, because they're not fucking around. I gotta be honest, they're not fucking around. They're coming after Shopify for sure, at least on the dropshipping side of things, because this is one of the best dropshipping softwares that I've ever seen personally. And I can't wait to possibly make the claim that it is the best dropshipping software I've ever seen once I get more used to it, dive deeper and all that. But you know me, I want to keep it real. I don't want to claim anything is what it isn't until I actually have a full understanding and experience in it. So guys, I think that's it. I think that's all I can really showcase right now. We can see what this upsell campaign is right now. This could be, okay, so this is the one-click upsell that I was trying to figure out from before. Okay, see, I'm literally learning with you guys. So one-click upsell funnel after checkout. So I'm just interested to see how this looks like on the inside. So they already have a post-sell theme. Okay, this is cool. This is so sick. You can edit your one-click upsell post in the visual builder. This is amazing. This is amazing. And they already got the steps. You can continue step 2 if you want. Oh my gosh, it's over. Oh my god, guys, this is good. This is really, really good. Okay. And then lastly, one other thing that I forgot to mention is you can actually stack actions. So if you come right here and click the add to order button, you can come right over here and you can go ahead and add whatever you want. So if you want to add item to cart, you can click one item that we added, say it's that pixel portable. And then we can also have it so that when they add that, they add another item to cart, say this shirt black. And then from there, we can even have it so that you can take payment and go to the next step. That way it's very, very smooth, very simple, and obviously extremely customizable. And then from here, if you want to add even more steps to this, you just come up here, duplicate, boom. And then now you have a whole step 4 that you can customize. You can add whatever you want to. Very, very, very customizable. Yeah, I'm glad I stumbled upon that, because that was one thing that was in the back of my head when I was doing this. But this is impressive. This is actually very, very impressive. But for $99 a month, you're getting a lot. You're getting a lot here. And I don't even know how much you're getting at $90 a month. That's how much you're getting, if that makes sense, because I still got to go through it all. Wow. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this first impressions type review here. Just a quick mention. I would heavily recommend you guys at least trying this out. Maybe building a store. You can do it for free with that link below in the description and pinned comment. If you choose to proceed, not only do you get the 3 stores for if you choose to proceed, not only do you get the 3 stores for $99 a month, but you also get something called Accelerator training. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if that's training on how to use the Accelerator or if that's training on how to do drop shipping or both, but it's free training. Nothing's wrong with free training. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you so much. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out in the comments below. Let me know if you're switching. I'm definitely going to be trying this out and potentially doing a full switch to CommerceHQ based on what I'm seeing right now. But hey, there's only one way to find out, and that's by doing. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching this. Thank you so much. Peace.